In this video, you can learn 2 simple magic tricks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel DK the Panda and please click the bell icon. If you like the video, please put a like and comment your ideas in the comment section. Enjoy the video. How to make a coin disappear by using a glass. To do this magic, we want some items and we want to make one thing. To do that, we want 2 white paper sheets, a glass should be transparent, a gum bottle and pair of scissors. Let's see how to do this. Now get a blank white paper sheet. Then we should cut a circle which suits for close the glass. That's the only one thing to do for this magic. Then I think you will understand the method. Watch carefully. Don't forget to use a handkerchief for protect the reality of magic. Second magic is a playing card magic. In this magic, we give a chance to the audience to pick a card and we name that card correctly. First of all, shuffle the card pack. Then, you should remember the last card of card pack. Then give the chance to audience to pick a card. Then tell him to remember the card and tell him to put that card on the top of the card pack. You should not look the card, but this time I show it because this is a tutorial. Then you have to shuffle the card pack again. But remember, in the beginning you should put the last card on the top of the card pack. Then shuffle it well. After the shuffle, turn the cards and show it to the audience. Then find the card you remembered at the beginning of the trick. It is 3 of clubs and the card before that card is the card which picked by the audience. It's 7 of clubs. Try these tricks and comment your ideas in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like and comment your ideas. Thank you.